How long will it take to settle my case after I have been involved in an accident? I get asked this question every single day. I'm Fernando Vargas. It takes sometimes several months, sometimes several years to settle a case. If your injuries are minor, then perhaps we can settle your case within a relatively short period of time, which means within approximately 7 months after the accident. Why? We need to give you time to complete your medical treatment and for us to gather medical records and medical bills. Once we have those records and bills, we now forward them to the insurance companies. The insurance companies can take at least 30 days to evaluate your claim, sometimes more, and they will then contact us with the first offer. Once we receive that offer, we have to make a recommendation as to whether the initial offer is reasonable, such that we can continue to negotiate, or whether the offer is so inappropriately low that we really have no alternative but to file a lawsuit. If we have to file a lawsuit because the settlement offer is low, then you can tack on another year or less to the process. Why? Our judicial system, unfortunately, is a very slow operating machine, and it operates about the pace of molasses coming out of a jar. Once we file that lawsuit, the pace of the case is now directed by the judge and the laws for the state of California. As the attorneys, we have a limited amount of power to speed up the pace or to prolong the pace of the case. In cases involving catastrophic or serious injuries, it has been my experience, having handled these cases on both sides of the table, that it is almost necessary to fight those cases in court. Why? Because before we fight the cases in court, we are going to be made a very conservative offer. And by engaging in litigation, meaning by fighting the case in court, we have the opportunity to get 2, 3, 4, 5 times or more than what the insurance companies initially offer us without filing a lawsuit. Insurance companies will make conservative offers because many clients are desperate to settle their cases because they are in financial need, and because many lawyers who take on these cases do not have the experience to properly handle them. They do not have the resources to investigate them, and they do not have the intellectual wherewithal or the experience to know how to fight them in court. If you've been involved in an accident, you hire a law firm with experience and reputation to fight to get you the maximum amount that you're entitled to, not to finish this as quickly as possible. Remember, with my case, with my firm, we will work hard to fight with honesty, respect, and integrity to get you everything you deserve. After all, we embrace the philosophy of one goal, one passion, client success.